Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back. I got another video today. Futures Daily Market Recap. Look, so these are things I'm gonna say coming, before I get right into it. So there were some nice setups today. Yo, what a rally that we've had the last couple of days from this March, um, from the March 30th low. Wait, I don't know why that. Anyway, but yo, from the March 30th low that we've seen, what a rally. Um, V-shape reversal. Okay. Um, but yeah, that is just on the daily time frame. Now, just play with the trend, right? Bullish trend has been lately. Try to look for, bullish setups. Um, although shorts are doable because we're trading on the really low time frame. Now, there was no, there were alright setups today, but today you need a little bit more of like what is it? Like, what is it called? Bros. I low key forgot what it's called, but it's like okay, I don't even know. Okay, I'm trying to think. Um, so it's called discretion. Come on, I obviously knew that. I just like forgot about it right now. Because the camera's on. But yeah, that's exactly what you need to have today. So start off daily time frame, and we see whatever we've been seeing the last couple of days. So I'm just gonna zoom in. I'm not gonna waste too much time. Again, and now I did see one thing today on the 4 hour. This big fair value gap. We're probably gonna go to it. And although the market opened around here, I was thinking maybe if it rips up like hard at open, I can catch a nice like final continuation up to this. And then I don't really like to use just because they're especially on with such high time frames that I'm 4 hour from like far away ago. They're not even on the same points in chart, and the charts here look way different. Like Nasdaq is like, yeah. So Nasdaq is here, and then ES already took it. It's like, so. I like Nasdaq. It moves nice and volatile. Okay. So 1 hour. Same exact thing here. 15 minute. Same exact thing. And then 5 minutes. So literally all I had marked out was this and this data low. That's it. And this data high. It was PPI at 8:30 a.m. pre-market. Done. That's it. That's it. If price was to go lower, I would put on some other things on my chart. But there's no point in me like plotting every draw on liquidity here if we're not even gonna go closer, right? So 1 minute time frame, the market opens. Boom, it goes higher. Okay. I don't like to take pre-market gaps. I'm waiting to see what happens. No gap, no gap, no fair value gap. And then we have nothing. Okay, so this is the yeah. Okay, so from there, okay. Sorry. Yeah. All right. So from right there we go. What is? Okay. Yeah, my fault. All right. We open up a 5 minute right here. We don't even tap into it. We go higher. Now the initial setup would have been you could take. This isn't really a good setup, but it is something to look at. How we come here and we go lower, but we don't tap a 5 minute. I would like to see this lower into a 5 minute. We don't tap into a 5 or 15 minute. We don't do anything here. This 15 minute, by the way, was created after. Just remember that. And then we inverse this big 1 minute gap. But that as an entry alone just doesn't make sense. Come on, like it's not always gonna hit. We already know that. But then what I'm looking at is, okay, now price is super bullish. I could either catch a small retrace or a continuation trade. And the continuation, honestly, it was semi clean. But I'm gonna explain why and what happened here. So we go up and then we create, we go for so, and then we go for so long, and then we create a 15 minute fair value gap and we tap it. Cool. I'm bullish. We tap a 15 minute. I expect price to go higher. We didn't even go up that much either way. That's not up that much. I can expect us to go up more. We tap it. Now I want to see highest time frame inverse of this leg. It's the 5 minute time frame, but the 5 minute inverse is like all the way up here. I'm just telling you guys because I remember 5 minute inverse is like it's always we'll go and see it right now, but somewhere here, it would be a very wide trade, and the problem with this is the break even comes very quick, so it's pretty much like a guaranteed break even. I don't like to take that. So you could take this without a break even. Or you don't have to necessarily take this, which is probably like the more correct move to do here. If the 5 minute were to close somewhere here, this would look like a really nice trade. But it just didn't. And also, even the 1 minute time frame, it closed, all the way up here. So it's the same exact thing. Nice trade. Just it was so bullish that it displaced too quick, and then we missed it. From there, we got chop. We got sideways. Yes, we did. Okay, technically we made a new 5 minute gap and we tapped it again. But then again, same story. Break even is too quick. There's not really many draws. So in this case, I would like to take the early long. If not, I don't want to just chase it. I don't want to chase it. And then from there, yeah, now it's 10:30, and now, the move's kind of up. So that's all that I saw. Another thing is you gotta understand how price action moves. So after some time, once we make a really big move, we start getting these sideways moves. You don't want to be in a trade in this. In this, you don't want to be in a trade. Trust me. Here it's more favorable, but once we start getting weirdly small candlesticks, small fair value gaps, it's just not clean. The volume's off. Volume's died off, and it's lower probability. So that is going to be it. Short, but that's all there was. Genuinely speaking. Thank you guys for watching. Bro, what? I can't even end it. I'm not even showing it. Yo, chat. What is this? What is this? Alright, here. Okay, well, I see it right here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.